Hello. I'm super excited to be giving you this update about the Vivo GPU cluster. We just have an additional 2,500 clusters that are made available in our GPU cluster sales. And as you all know, that Vivo is actually selling its GPU clusters since last year, 2024, in batches. Once a batch is full, it is closed. So we sell this like shares, or you call it an ICO for that matter. And this is practically what this GPU cluster is all about. And you might be wondering, what is this GPU cluster? GPU cluster is actually what powers our artificial intelligence. Okay, the machine, the graphic processing unit that powers our artificial intelligence. That is what the GPU cluster is all about. And we know that Vivo is building a global decentralized GPU cloud infrastructure to manage and scale the rapidly growing demand for AI services, which is driven by the Vyvo OS Live Copilot. Now, the Vyvo OS Live Copilot is our virtual AI operating system that serves as your personal assistant. That is Vivo's AI. Now, this is quite different from any artificial intelligence that you have in the marketplace. This is not ChatGPT, this is not Gemini, this is not Alexa. Bro, this via OS like Copilot is a game changer because it is adaptive to you. It learns from you by using the data that is being collected from you every day to become acclimatized, to become your personal live assistant. And our GPU farm is located in Dallas, Texas, which has been online since March of 2025. I want you to know that our GPU cluster is community built and it is owned 100% by the community. When I talk about the community, I mean the Vivo community. Now, and because everything we do at Vivo is built in partnership with our community, this computing network is no exception at all because it is transforming what is typically a cost center into a shared business opportunity. So this is like a shared business opportunity for people who understand the concept of ICOs, for people who understand the concept of shares, for people who understand the concept of being co-owners of this amazing infrastructure that Vivo is putting together. All right. So the rise of AI today is only possible for one key reason: GPU power computing. And you will agree with me that GPU power computing, accessing them is not cheap at all. To have GPU, all the GPUs, all the processing card, it's not cheap at all, especially when you are building something as big as a decentralized data processing center that powers one of the best, one of the biggest GPU infrastructure in the world, and that is what we offer here in Vivo. So one thing, good news I have for you today is the opportunity for you to jump on it and buy into the newly opened GPU cluster sale. Just 2,500 units of the GPU cluster is available for the taking. Now, if you purchase the cluster 1X, which costs you $1,000, it comes with 18% annual percentage yield. All right. Now, the price of our ICO, which is the VI token. So when you purchase our GPU cluster, all right, you are actually owning a share in our Vivo infrastructure. Now, it is priced at the value of the VI token. Now, the value of the VI token in the market as I speak to you is over 1.8. But let's look at the value of the shares. As I'm speaking to you right now, I go to my CoinMarketCap. On the CoinMarketCap, you can look at the value of the shares is 1.98 US dollars for the Vivo AI token, which is the VI token, 1.98. As I'm talking to you right now, we are giving away the ICO, the shares of one VI. One VI right now is selling for 1.8. 1.8. So if you're going for the $1,000 pack, you're getting it at 1.8, which will give you 555 unit 0.55, and it will give you 18% per annum in what? In dividend, meaning that you are going to get 18% of 555.55 in a year. All right? You are getting 18% of the this ICO of the token purchased, not on the naira spent, but on the token purchase. You are getting 18% per annum on the token purchase. If you buy the 2x package, you're getting, that is 2x package is $2,000 pack, which gives 20% APY. At $1.80, you get it. You're getting a total of 1,111 VI token. All right, 0.11, 1,111.11 VI token. All right, and this you're gonna get 20% APY in a year. All right, 20% of 1,101.11 in a year. The $3,000 package is 21% per annum APY, which will give you 1,666.6. The $4,000 package, which is the 4X, will give you 22% APY, which will give you 2,222.22. And the $5,000 package will give you 23% APY, which is 2,777.77. And the $6,000 will give you 24% APY. You will get 3,333 units of the token. That is like units. Your APY is 24%. You know, that's what you get. While 7,000 give you 25%, giving you 3,888. So you get 25% of 3,888 in a year. All right. And if you go for 8,000, the pack, which is the 8X, you get 26%. The unit you're gonna get is 4,444.44. If you go for the $9,000 pack, which is the 9X, you're gonna get 27% APY, which gives you $5,000 unit. So the final one, which is the 10X, gives you 28%. This is $10,000. You get 28% APY at 5,555.55 units. That's what you get. So these are the available packages that we have right now for the additional cluster packs that is being sold in Vyvo. And one thing I want to let you know is that this is amazing opportunity for you to actually put your money somewhere to work for you. Why did I say so? Because the annual percentage yield is something that can be given to you every 90 days. So what do I mean by every 90 days? So if you purchase, let's say, the $10,000 pack, what is possible with the $10,000 pack? I'm going to bring out my calculator now. Okay. So let's say you purchase the $10,000 pack, which give you 5,555.55. All right. Now you get 28% times 28%. All right. So you get this in a year. That means you're going to get 1,555.55 VI token unit in 1 year. In 1 year. This is what you're going to get in 1 year. So let's divide it by 12, what you're going to get on a monthly basis. So you're going to get 129.6 every month on your $10,000. Now, if you want to cash in on your monthly dividends, it means at the current price that I showed you earlier, which is 1.98 at the current price, if the price remained the same, 1.98. So it means that you're going to cash out $256 every month. You get what I'm saying? $256 on a monthly basis on your $10,000. All right. What about if the value of the unit goes to, let's say, $3? If the unit goes to $3 every month, it means you're cashing out $388 every month for the next 1 year, because you're gonna be locked. Your 5,555 will be locked for 1 year, but you're getting dividends. You're getting dividends every 90 days. Your first 90 days is locked. You're not gonna have access. All right, your first 90 days is locked. Then every time you can now have access to you on a monthly basis. Okay, so now every month you can access 388 if the price goes to $3. Okay. If the price goes to $3. Now, you might say, oh, what about $2? If the price is $2, that means you're getting $259. If the price goes to $3, you get you get $388. All right. If the price goes to $5, that means you get $648 every month. Now, this is basically dividends on what you purchase. Okay, dividends. Your capital is still there. At the end of 1 year, you can access your capital at the preceding market price for the VI tokens. All right, and we have a projection. As many people are jumping on board our VI AI operating system, as many people are using it, the price of VI token will increase in value. Okay, will go up in value, driving the usability of VI token, driving the price of the VI token upward. We very much know that in no distant future we can be seeing this token at probably $10. $10. Now, this is what is just possible for you in a monthly basis. All right, on a monthly basis. So let's go back to 1 year, your 1 year output. This is the 1 year dividend. This is the entire thing you get in a year. So in a year, if the value is $5, let's say the value goes to $5 after 1 year, all right, it means you earn this $7,777 after 1 year. All right, remember your $10,000 is still there. This is just dividends after 1 year. Okay, if it is $5. Okay, if the value goes to $10, if the price goes to $10, it means you have earned dividends of $15,555 after 1 year. All right, goes to $10, you can earn $15,000. All right, and this is, I'm not trying to be speculative about the pricing of the VI token, but I'm just trying to let you see a bigger picture of what is possible through the VI token operating system and the GPU cluster shares that is being sold right now in Vyvo. So this is the possibility I want you to see, what you get from whatever you purchase in the system. And if you decide to go for the $1,000, you know the $1,000 almost similar to that. You will get 18% per annum times 18% per annum. So this is what you get in a year, 99.999. All right, this is what you're going to get in a year, all right, as dividends. Okay, so if you divide days by 12, what you're going to get in a month, you're going to get 8.33 in a month. All right, so depending on your choices. All right, that is it. So you can repeat the different packages, have its own APY. Just like I see from here, you can look at the APY for each of these packages, or from 1,000 up to 10,000, and go for the one that best meets your need. As you all know, this is a beautiful opportunity, and I believe for sure that people who take advantage of this will be able to, support the decentralized GPU cloud network that we are building here in Vyvo. And you can also co-own the GPU cluster, just like I said earlier. All right. So one of the other advantage that purchasing this will give to you is that it can also give you 1 year free license of our Vyvo OS. Now, the Vyvo OS operating system is currently selling. If you're buying the premium package, the pro package, 1 year, you can get it for $750. All right, you can get it for $750 for the 1 year package for the Vyvo OS operating system, which beats ChatGPT hands down. All right, now when you purchase $750 of the better of our Vyvo OS, it comes with 12 personal vouchers, which you can give to your friend to test run the product. Okay, you can give these vouchers to your friend to test run the product. All right, so that is value of our Vyvo OS. Let me just quickly show you the Vyvo OS pricing. So if you're going for the personal license, it's just $12 per month. If you're going for the 1 year license, it's because $275 per year for the personal. For the pro license, it's $75 per month and $750 per year. If you're going for this one, you are saving $150, which gives you like 2 months for free, right? So this is a bit of what I want to share with you that got me so excited, and I want you to look at it. If this video is helpful to you in making a decision about buying into the GPU cluster farm, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, give a like, share this video with as many people as possible. And if you'd like to do business with us, all right, click the link in the description of this video, and you're going to be able to talk to me one-on-one via WhatsApp or via Telegram, and we can help you get started the best possible way. Till I see you in another video, keep winning, and I see you very soon. Cheers.